Hi traders, this is Chris from Elite Currency with a new video on the euro dollar and of course the pound dollar. And this time around, let's start with the cable. The pound dollar 1 hour chart, we were indicating that this is probably going to be a fifth wave within a wave A, and that's what happened. Then it traded that upside with the ECS Live, with his CAMACD system in fact, and went for good profit. We also traded with SWAT system through ECS Live, the pound, but a different currency pair, the pound CAD. But regarding to the near future, I think we're looking at that fifth wave right now. In fact, we had a kind of a wave 4 consolidation pattern with an ABC, another kind of corrective pattern here. But ultimately, it didn't break below any of these fibs, and price made a contracting triangle kind of pattern, broke above that, and is now building a higher high. I think that is looking like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's zoom out to higher time frames. Work at that wave 5 end. For instance, 131.25 could be a spot where that wave 5 ends, and we could see there a start of a wave A. So if we see bearish momentum with strong candlestick patterns and candles falling like this, then we see a bounce like this. Be on guard that that could be an ABC pattern, and it could be another leg to the downside like this, ABC. So avoid trading it to the upside here when you see strong downside, because that could be a wave B, it could be a trap, that could be risky to trade it to the upside despite this upside momentum. So if it does go to 132.31.25, let's put the fib from the very bottom to the future top that we expect, and I wouldn't be surprised if the price falls down to the 23.6 fib, then bounces, and then heads down, for instance, to the 50 fib or 38 or 61.8 fib, which all are Fibonacci support levels that where price could bounce. Look for candlestick patterns there, bullish candlestick patterns for a turn back to the upside, a reversal. That could be a wave A here. This could be wave B, and up it goes for a bullish wave C. The main target is the minus 272 target at 132.50 right in here. So let's zoom out again. Why that zone? Because there are tops, first of all, two tops there, minus 272 target, a quarter round psychological level, and also the potential for an ABC correction to be finished right here, or a three-wave correction. For those that like waves, that would be a WXY, or it could be an ABCDE triangle, and it breaks to the downside. This being the C, we would have D and E remaining within that triangle before it breaks through the support and goes down for a wave 5. All of that would be a wave 4, and down it goes for a wave 5. All right, so that's for the moment it. Now, if it does move further beyond the minus 272 target, let's put back to wave 3. All right, then it could even extend further, but for the moment, I do think that like this, the minus 272 target is probably the likely bouncing spot. All right, so we had some interesting trades on the pound. With regard to the euro, we didn't trade it ourselves. We were focusing on other pairs with our systems and ECS Live. But yeah, the euro dollar could be a potential trade, I think, if it breaks to the upside. I'm personally, from a discretionary point of view, still leaning towards the upside. I think from this perspective, I'm still expecting upside, and I don't think anything has changed since our last video during the weekend. It's still the same situation. In fact, price is still between this high and this low, and it's just making choppiness within that. So from this perspective, my wave analysis, the market structure has not changed. It would change if it breaks through this bottom. That would be the invalidation level of the bullish ABC that I expect, like this, right? So if it breaks through 113, that's invalidated. If it breaks through this top, then that confirms the ABC that I expect. I do think it will go, or it could even be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within a bigger wave A. That's also possible, by the way. But a break above that would confirm it, and there would be some upside space. First of all, towards 115, but even that, if it breaks above that, then even further to 116, 116.25, and if it breaks that, then even up to 118 to this previous top. For the moment, bullish ABC seems likely, because if you look at this looks like an ABC, it looks like a falling wedge. If you look at the purple trend lines, it looks like a reversal chart pattern, and there was divergence between these bottoms. So from this perspective, a reversal to the upside is not strange. We saw momentum in this piece. You can see it on the 1 hour chart. 5-wave pattern as well, good momentum too. So from this perspective, I think that upside is more likely. And this all could still be part of a wave ABC though. So if it does move lower, that would explain it. We were expecting wave ABC already on the weekend. This could have been it. and that could be it, right? That could be a very shallow ABC, or it could still be expanded. This could still be part of it, and it falls down to the minus 272 target without breaking this bottom. Then bounces, shows bullish engulfing twins or candlestick patterns here, and then moves up like this. However, if it doesn't bounce here and it starts to break above this top, even if it breaks above these fibs already, shows a bull flag, then it's looking for more upside in fact, and we'll probably not get a deeper wave B. That will probably then not happen anymore. So let's zoom back to the 4-hour chart here. Once again, the question is the AB finished? Is the wave B finished? And this price is going to go up for a wave C? Or will we see a deeper wave B still within a bigger, that same ABC? All right. Looking at the daily chart, you can see also another reason why there could be a bouncing spot at this previous bottom. Here we had an ABC to the upside, here we had an ABC to the downside, and now we're expecting an ABC to the upside or a 5-wave pattern going towards 119, perhaps even 120, which would complete a bigger bullish correction. We had 5 waves here, probably part of a wave 1 or A, so all of this bullish correction would be part of a wave 2 or B. From this particular target zone here or bouncing spot, we would expect price to start that wave 3 or C to the downside. So for the moment, as you can see, due to the double bottom, there is more space to the upside at this point, either as part of a wave C or ABC, I should say, or even a 5-wave pattern to the upside. All right, that's it for now. More free analysis and, of course, free guides and a lot of free material you can find through our ECS start package, but also a lot of guides like our support of resistance and our Fibonacci and wave guides. You can find it all in the description box below. Wish you all good trading. Talk to you soon. Cheers.